Repeat carefully after me.
Okay.
This world is made.
This world is...
This world is made of.
This world is made of...
Made of love and peace.
Hey guys, sorry I haven't put up a video recently. Oh look, big surprise. So, I'm not gonna have anything today. I know I said that I would do stuff and I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry so much. You can see I'm sorry. I have some bigger news. I'm going to be uploading so there you have it. I'm going to be doing that walkthrough. I've already got some of them already ready to set up, and I'm going to be putting them on every week. There we go. I just came up with that now. Every week. So be looking forward to that. And if you do not like Pokemon, I pity you. So you're going to watch it anyway. But no, it's fine. If you don't like Pokemon, don't watch them. I will have other things as well. As you can see, I put up those little Google search things because I was really bored one night and I didn't have time to vlog. Blah, 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 blah. I didn't have time to vlog. So I just kind of uploaded those because they were kind of fun, and you know, if you want to take a look at those, I'll put up about my theme is up here, Kakashi is here, and Vash is right here on my boobage area. Okay, because that was pleasing. Okay, all done. There's a hurricane going through South Carolina right now, and it's affecting the weather up here in Missouri. Up here? Down there? Don't know where my map is. Okay, so it's, I can't really do anything outside. I like to go outside once in a while, you know, show the scenery. And subscribe. Subscribe and rate and review. I know it's really cliche, but you know I'm gonna say it because every blogger has to. I love you. Bye-bye. Good? I'm serious, Nick.
Okay.
I'm cereal. Like Frosted Flakes. You're not zoomed into just my face, are you?
No, I'm not.
Then stop it! Okay. The night that I'm uploading.
I'm sorry, I had to itch it.
Itch it!
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Okay, move your fingers.
Sorry.
Monkey, you're like... I'm gonna get